Today we are going to make Thai curry. Let me walk you through the ingredients. Spring onion, basil leaf, coriander leaf, green chilies, and this is the stalk of lemongrass. So if you keep peeling the bottom portion, you'll uncover this and there is no more fiber left in this. Use a few pieces, it has a strong smell. Bell peppers, broccoli, zucchini, and then carrots and coconut milk. Let's grind these ingredients to a fine paste. Adding couple teaspoons of olive oil. Let's get these vegetables sorted. It has to be sorted in a way it's slightly cooked and it's crunchy. That's the whole beauty of this Thai curry. So let the veggies cook for some time. We will add bell peppers towards the end. While my Thai curry is getting made, I'm going to make my filter coffee. So my mom gives this Narsus decoction. I'm mixing it with couple spoons of sugar. So I'm very liberal with the sugar in here. I pamper myself over the weekends with the coffee. Yeah, you can always catch up and cover for this with your intermittent fasting later. I mixed the sugar and decoction so well, it started frothing. Now is the time you add milk and heat it a bit. It should not boil for your perfect filter coffee. We have blended the ingredients, all the green leaves. My coffee is getting made and I will add a wee bit of decoction to it. So I like it this way. Added in the bell peppers with a dash of salt. So wait for a little while and then stop it. It should not become soggy. I love this Thai curry. It's such a blessing for the South Indian veggies. Outside your South Indian food, this is the only veg choice that you could have, especially when you travel to the US. But I was very disappointed when I visited Thailand. They don't make any good Thai fried rice or veg curries. It's totally a different version from how we were introduced. This is when you stop your coffee. It should not boil. That's my coffee break. Let's get to business. Let's make the Thai curry now. The veggies are ready. The masala is ready. So let me add this pulp, the green leafy pulp, and bring it to a simmer. Let's not boil it. Don't overcook it. Once you get it to a simmer, you can add the coconut milk. There goes it. Let's wait for it to simmer. I love these colors. These vegetables are a blessing to all the vegetarians. You feel so motivated to eat. I guess they are for non-vegetarians also. Ha ha ha. Back to my coffee. This is what I end up doing and then microwaving it 2-3 times. So it's starting to simmer. Always this raw ingredients, little bit of slight saute will help. Otherwise you will have that raw smell and taste. தமிழ் மக்களே நல்ல மருதாணி மாதிரி இருக்குது பாருங்கள். சூப்பராக கீரையை மிக்சியில் அரைச்ச மாதிரி இருக்குது. हरा भरा लग रहा है ना भैया लोग. So I think it has to boil a little bit. Let's wait. भैया लोग खाना बनाते हैं क्या? बनाते हैं बहन लोग. ही. This mixture has a very strong smell. I hope it tastes fine. This is the first time I'm making. So this is starting to simmer. Let's add coconut milk now. This is sharing insecurities with everyone. You feel good. There are a lot of people with insecurities that you have. Added in the coconut milk now. Actually, it's nothing but a kind of kurma that people make, that we make, folks, Indians. We grind the coconut directly and we add all English vegetables. This is probably Italian vegetables. There's a lot of similarities, but I like the greens part, this basil leaf and spring onion. We don't grind it, so probably that gives a different taste. So, good analogies, our kurma. Added bit more of coconut milk, added salt, I see little bit of the greens dominating. That's why I added a little more of coconut milk to balance out. Let's see. That's my stored coconut milk. Mix masala. The mixture is starting to boil. Let me add the veggies now. There goes in the veggies. Let it boil and simmer for some time. Thai curry is getting into a fine boil. I don't want to boil for too long. I just want these veggies to stay crunchy. Maybe in another 5 minutes I'll stop it. Just tasted it. Actually, it's good, but for the kurma lovers, it's little bit more of herbs, the greens, and it has that strong basil leaf. I feel very holy. And I think it's extremely healthy. So, it's good. There comes the steaming Thai curry. I switched it off. I didn't want the vegetables to get soggy. It tastes different, but it's good. So let's relish.